Unraveling the Roots, Bolivia's captivating Afro-Bolivian legacy. Welcome back to Unraveling the Roots, our captivating exploration of the profound connections between Africa and the Americas. In this episode, we embark on a journey through Bolivia to uncover the vibrant Afro-Bolivian legacy. Join us as we delve into the historical roots, cultural expressions, and the significant contributions of the Afro-Bolivian community. Let's begin with music and dance. Afro-Bolivian music and dance represent a rich tapestry of African traditions, intertwined with local indigenous and Spanish influences. One notable music genre is saya, originating from the Yungas region and embraced by the Afro-Bolivian community. Saya's rhythmic beats, melodious chants, and vibrant dance moves echo the resilience and cultural pride of Afro-Bolivians, carrying the spirit of their African ancestors across generations. Moving on to fashion. Afro-Bolivian fashion is a testament to the community's unique cultural heritage and identity. Traditional attire such as the pollera and the intricately woven aguayo fabrics showcase the Afro-Bolivian women's artistic craftsmanship and reflect the influences of African textiles. These vibrant and symbolic garments pay homage to their African roots while preserving the community's cultural distinctiveness. Let's savor the cuisine. Afro-Bolivian cuisine embodies a delightful blend of African, indigenous, and Spanish flavors. Traditional dishes like salta de pollo or majadito showcase this fusion, utilizing ingredients such as rice, chicken, spices, and Andean vegetables. These culinary delights reflect the diversity of Afro-Bolivian gastronomy, carrying the echoes of African culinary traditions within the Bolivian cultural tapestry. Exploring religion. African spirituality has woven its way into the religious practices of Afro-Bolivian communities. Afro-Bolivian Catholicism is a syncretic blend of Catholicism and African spiritual traditions, incorporating elements such as ancestral veneration and spiritual rituals. This unique religious synthesis serves as a powerful testament to the resilience of African spiritual beliefs and their enduring presence in Afro-Bolivian culture. Let's delve into language. Afro-Bolivian dialects bear the influence of African languages, adding a distinct flavor to the local Spanish spoken within the community. Words and expressions derived from African languages, such as Bantu and Kikongo, have integrated into everyday speech, reflecting the linguistic richness and heritage of Afro-Bolivians. Highlighting revolutionary figures. Bolivia's history celebrates Afro-Bolivian revolutionaries who played pivotal roles in the fight against oppression and for social justice. Figures like Monica Ray Gutierrez, an Afro-Bolivian activist whose anthropological research helped pass legislation for formal recognition of Afro-Bolivians as an ethnic group in the Bolivian census. Another significant figure is Julio Pinedo, a champion of Afro-Bolivian heritage. Pinedo is the recognized descendant of a Congolese monarch brought to Bolivia as a slave by the Spaniards in 1820. His tireless efforts have inspired generations and have been instrumental in raising awareness of the Afro-Bolivian community's contributions to Bolivia's diverse cultural tapestry. Their courage and determination continue to inspire Afro-Bolivians and the wider society in the pursuit of a more inclusive and just Bolivia. Exploring the arts and culture. Afro-Bolivian arts and culture are vibrant expressions of the community's heritage and resilience. Through art forms like painting, sculpture, and poetry, Afro-Bolivian artists like Mamani Mamani and Roberto Valcarcel celebrate their culture, challenge stereotypes, and promote social awareness. Their creative contributions amplify the Afro-Bolivian narrative and enrich Bolivia's cultural mosaic. Lastly, Pre-Columbian Connections. While the transatlantic slave trade accounts for the majority of African presence in Bolivia, intriguing theories suggest earlier connections between Africa and the Americas. Scholars like Ivan van Sertima, in his book They Came Before Columbus, propose that ancient Africans may have navigated to the Americas before Christopher Columbus. These theories invite us to reevaluate the historical narratives and acknowledge the potential cultural exchanges between Africa and the Americas in pre-Columbian times. In this episode of Unraveling the Roots, we have embarked on a captivating exploration of Bolivia's Afro-Bolivian legacy. From the enchanting rhythms of the music and the vibrant expressions of fashion to the tantalizing flavors of the cuisine, we have unraveled the cultural tapestry shaped by the Afro-Bolivian community. Join us in our continued journey as we explore the diverse and dynamic African diaspora. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. Stay tuned for the next episode as we delve deeper into the rich connections between Africa and the Americas.